freedom land. The winds of change will keep on blowing. High on our heads, it's not the same. But their hypocrisy and indifference breeds disharmony. There's always time for everything, and they're dying dead of the singing. Lady Mercy, help our freedom land, our freedom land. To feed his hunger, that's their sins is for your name. Let this democracy be the sacred shrine for harmony. There's always time for everything, and the brighter day will be singing. Lady Mercy, bless our freedom land, our freedom land. La, la, la. La, la, la. La la la